Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the language in the Expedia application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the account button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then at the profile section, look for the language button and click on that. And as you can see, these are the language options that you can choose from. So just click on the one that you want to use and then click on the save button. And the language is set. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.